Okay, now, sometimes when you are figuring out intervals, you can't write out the entire key signature, then write out the entire scale. So getting those key signatures in your head is going to be extremely helpful when you figure out intervals. So this is so you can quickly find it just by thinking it. So to quickly find if the interval is major, remember the sharps and flats in the key signature of the bottom note. Then decide if the top note of the interval occurs on that scale. Now reminder, only seconds, thirds, sixths, and sevenths can be major. Fourths, fifths, and octaves are never major. You only have seconds, thirds, sixths, and sevenths. Seconds, thirds, sixths, sevenths. Seconds, thirds, sixths, sevenths. 2, 3, 6, 7. I don't know if there's a way to make that interesting or easy to remember, but if you come up with something, great. Okay. So for example, here's our example here. This is a third. 1, 2, 3. Bottom note is B, B major. I know that there are 5 sharps, and I know that D is sharp, so there's a match. That's going to be major. Key of F only has a D flat. There's no D sharp, therefore is not a match. D flat major. There's a C natural in there. We have B, E, A, D, G. There's no C flat in there, therefore it's a match. So match, not match, match. Let's try it ourselves. I'll do a few, and you get to do the rest. So remember, fourths, fifths, and octaves are never major. So if you see a fourth, fifth, or octave, automatically not major. So let's take a look at this one. Key of F. F has one flat, and that's B flat. Here's an A flat. Is A flat in it? Nope. Not major. All right, G. In the key of G, there's one sharp, and that is F sharp. And in fact, I shouldn't have even written that. You need to think these in your head. So this is the third. 1, 2, 3. Is it major? Is B natural in key G major? Yes, it is major. E flat. Key B flat has 3 flats. B flat, E flat, and A flat. This note is C. Is that flat? No. Is C flat in the key signature? No. That is major. This is a fifth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Automatically not major. This is a third. 1, 2, 3. Here's the A. A major has 3 sharps, F sharp, C sharp, and G sharp. So here is our A. This is C. I said F sharp, C sharp, and G sharp. This one should have an F sharp, so that is not major. Okay, we're at A again. Same thing. Same 3 sharps, F, C, and G. Here's F. Oh, look, it's sharp already. Then that's major. Okay, let's look at this one. Bass clef. Always check the clef. We have our B and a D. So B nat major has let's see, F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp, and A sharp. So 5 sharps. Was D mentioned? Yes, it was. Not major because there should be a sharp there. This is the last one I'm going to do of these ones. I'm going down this. The rest you have to do. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a fourth. Fourths, fifths, and octaves are never major. Not major. You can do the rest. Finally, number 2, we're going to write our own major intervals above the given note. So there's our example, major third. We have our E, 1, 2, 3. There's our third. Make sure it's in the key signature. We're going to do the same thing, another major third here. Major third is right there. So in the key of B, does D have an accidental? Think about it. Think of the key signature. Yes, it does. Gotta have a sharp. There's your major third. Here's A. We're going to major seventh. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. G. Is G sharp or flat or natural in the key of A? Think of A. A has 3 sharps, F, C, and G. Oh look, G has to be sharp. Now look at this, major sixth. Here's F, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is D sharp, flat, or natural in the key of F? Well, we know the key of F has 1 flat, and that's on B. So this is natural. Boom, there we go. Now major second. Remember for seconds, they are not right on top. They're right next to it and touching. So there's our second. In the key of D, what accidentals do we have? We have F sharp and C sharp. Does that include E on any of them? Nope, so leave it as such. Major sixth on E flat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, key of E flat has B flat, E flat, and A flat. This is C. Does that apply to C? Nope, so you can leave it as such. Now, bass clef, you can finish the rest.